Would you start building your dream home without knowing if it's legally approved or safe during an earthquake? Hi, I'm Diggvijay, the principal architect at Diggvijay Architects. We design legacy homes for India's top achievers. Homes that stand the test of time and the law. In architecture, what you don't see often matters more than what you do. Legal clarity, seismic safety, they are invisible, but they protect everything you have built. The biggest regret we hear? I wish we had asked these questions before we started. Let's make sure you never have to say that. And honestly, I get it. When you're pouring your life's success into a forever home, you don't want legal or safety oversights to haunt you later. So here's a simple guide to get your design vision, legal process, and structural safety correct from day one. So how do you actually turn an outdated house into a future-ready home? Here's what worked for our client. We were approached by a doctor family in Chandigarh. Their house was almost 40 years old. Lots of charm, but it just didn't work for their lifestyle. Tiny bathrooms, tight rooms, and no real planning for how modern families live today. They had initially consulted an older architect, but the proposed drawings couldn't translate their modern lifestyle needs. There were no wardrobes built in, no place to relax, and no space for even a proper TV unit. Everything felt tight and awkward. Spaces felt rigid, and the home wasn't adapting to how the family wanted to live. It wasn't just about the space. The infrastructure, like electrical and plumbing points, did not support the changes they had in mind. We reimagined the entire layout. Each bedroom got a walk-in wardrobe, bathrooms were expanded and designed with a hotel-like luxury in mind. Better fittings, better flow. We introduced lounge seating spaces where the family could spend time together. Entertainment zones were carved out, storage was maximized without clutter, and we rerouted all electrical and plumbing lines to match the furniture and appliance layout. It was a full transformation, not cosmetic but architectural. The final home looked and felt like a completely new space, future ready, functional, and made just for them. By the end of the project, the home had a completely new energy. It respected the existing structure but felt brand new. The family was thrilled to see how their dream home came alive, not just upgraded, but personalized for how they live today. That's the difference smart architectural planning can make, especially when transforming an old house into a modern legacy. Now that we have seen how design can transform a home, let's talk about how you can ensure that it is legally secure from day one. What is the checklist you need before a single brick is laid? Here is ours. Number 1. Title check. First step, verify clear land titles and land use zoning. The first thing we verify is whether the land title is clear. No loans, no disputes. We also check that the land use is residential, not agricultural or restricted, ensuring your project starts on firm legal ground. Number 2. Sanction drawings. Submit designs for municipal approvals before a single brick is laid. Before the design reaches site, it reaches the municipal corporation. We submit all architectural drawings for official sanctions. Without sanctioned plans, your home is technically illegal, risking fines, stop work orders, or even worse. Number 3. No objection certificates. Secure fire, environmental, and building NOCs early. Depending on the size and location of the project, we apply for fire NOC, environmental clearance, and any special building permissions. These are crucial if your project is above certain size thresholds or in sensitive areas. Number 4. Building code updates. Adapt to changing building codes during the project. Building codes change over time. Midway through a project, new guidelines can come in, like setback changes or floor area ratio adjustments. We track these updates continuously and adapt your project documentation to stay compliant. Number 5. Occupation certificate. End the project with an OC, your home's legal birth certificate. After construction is complete, we apply for the occupancy certificate, proof that your home is built to code and is fit for living. Without an OC, your home cannot legally be occupied or sold easily in the future. Now you know about the legal side, but what about the structure itself? How do you know if it is ready for the unexpected? Here is how we earthquake-proof your home, not just for now, but for the future. Number 1. RCC frame. Strong RCC frames absorb seismic shocks. The skeleton of the house, the RCC frame, is designed to absorb and distribute seismic forces. We ensure ductile detailing, strong beam column joints, and structural integrity to survive major earthquakes. Number 2. Shear walls. Shear walls for added lateral stability in tall homes. For taller or narrow homes, lateral forces are more dangerous. We strategically designed shear walls, which are strong vertical walls that resist sideways motion and give the structure extra resilience. Number 3. Base isolation. Base isolators keep luxury homes stable during earthquakes. For ultra premium projects in high risk seismic zones, we recommend base isolators, a technology that separates the building from ground movement, minimizing shake and damage. Number 4. Peer review. Structural peer checks by a structural consultant for peace of mind. Every structure we design is peer reviewed by a third party structural engineer. A second opinion ensures that your home is not just compliant but exceptionally safe. If you are building your forever home and want it to be safe, legal, and truly yours, drop us a message or explore how we work on our website. And don't forget to comment, like, or share this with someone building soon. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.